Everybody, so this is me and my sister Sierra.
Hey y'all.
So basically in the Mobile Boutique box truck in the back, we are not receiving any heat. So what we decided to do was get an air duct and open the vents up. Take this out of the vent and put it through there so we can run the heat from here to the back of the truck to get some heat. So that's what we're doing right now. Say hi, Sierra.
What's it?
This is a DIY. So wish us luck and we'll see y'all back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Using this dryer vent kit with guard. This was $23.99 at Home Depot. Using the hole dozer, Milwaukee hole dozer. This was $37.99 at Home Depot. We'll be using this to drill the holes. So Sierra's about to put it in the air vent.
We pulled the vent hose through there with a sheet metal.
And then taped it.
Tape that.
Sure it's a tight fit. Alright. So now we're going to turn the vent on. See if the heat is coming out. See your hair moving.
I ain't got nothing on top.
No frizzies. All right.
Ooh,
oh yeah. All right. We'll be back with the installation to the bed. Whoop whoop. Okay, now Sierra is ready to make the hole with the hole dozer.
Make sure my hole dozer is on. There we go.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
You ready?
Okay, so the risk behind this. You might end up with a hole that you're never gonna use if this don't turn out right. So we got a dryer vent cover that you can use to make it look good. All right.
What you got to say about this, Marion?
Nothing.
All right. All right. And there's our hole, guys. All right now.
Here's my finger.
You okay? Now we can see right through the front of the truck. Woohoo! Everyone say thanks to Sierra.
Yeah. Tell my hand thank you.
Sierra's cutting it so it can be cute. So Sierra is installing the cover over it. And there you have it. What you think about it, sis?
Looking good, feeling good, got some heat.